Birria Tacos and Consomé.
It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that.
For today's birria tacos, we have to use our ancho chilies and our guajito chilies. Alright, get you some bay leaf, dry, and as you can see, these are the two types of peppers that you have to use to make the birria tacos, guys. You're also gonna need some corn tortillas, which is right here. I got these from the dollar store, so it's very cheap, inexpensive thing to do. Now we're gonna remove all the seeds, guys. Remove the seeds, because if you do not remove the seeds, the birria will be extremely spicy. All right, if you like spice, you could leave the seeds in, but I took it out. I'm gonna throw in some chilies. I got some sweet peppers. I'm gonna be adding also red vegan broth, guys. We're gonna boil that along with the peppers, the tomatoes, the carrots. All right, so we're gonna simmer that for a little bit. Now we're gonna add in our peppers and our chilies, onions and carrots. All right, some vinegar, guys. You're gonna need the vinegar. All right, so we're gonna let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna add some tomatoes and the bay leaf, of course. All right, guys, now I'm gonna add my cinnamon stick. I know you're supposed to use half, but I said, hey, why not just throw it in there? This is my recipe. All right, guys, so we're gonna pour this into a bowl. So now with this next step, we're gonna blend everything that we boiled. All right, guys, so this is a very long process, but it's well worth the effort, trust me. All right, guys, so we're gonna blend everything. All right, guys, so we're gonna cover it up, and there we go. All right, guys, so this is a Vitamix, and I'm putting it on high, guys. Make sure your blender can blend your cinnamon stick. I'm blending for 2 to 3 minutes, and now look at that, it's nice and ready, guys. All right, guys, using the same pot, don't wash it. All right, we're gonna cook our vegan beef. All right, so I'm gonna add some olive oil, and I'm putting in my green seasoning. All right, guys, I didn't show you guys how to make this yet, but I will do that. This is jackfruit, guys. It looks like beef, but it's jackfruit. If you're following tradition, they normally use goat for this recipe. All right, guys, so we're mimicking goat or beef to make this. So I'm gonna add in my sauce, which is the chili sauce with the tomatoes and the onions. All right, look at that. I cooked that down for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add all my seasoning into the sauce, because remember, with the sauce we're gonna get the consommé. All right, so the consommé is what you dip your tacos so it could be nice and juicy. Alright, guys, so we're gonna add a piece of chocolate. Don't forget, the recipe is in the description below. Alright, guys, check this out. Better results, guys. Marinate your jackfruit in a bag and put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. Alright, season it and put it away so it can lock it in for at least 3 weeks. Alright, guys, so get you a bowl and remove all your jackfruit beef out of the chili. Alright, family, so right now I'm just shredding the meat so we can prepare it for the tacos. So now we're gonna sift out every single thing so we can make the consommé, which is the dipping sauce. Alright, guys, so we're gonna add our tacos to our skillet. Alright, so we're gonna put the sauce on there with the mozzarella cheese, and now I'm adding the jackfruit to this delicious taco. All right, guys, look at how beautiful this looks. And this is Daya cheese. I got a mixture of cilantro and parsley because I love both of them together. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add some onions. All right, guys, and then I'm gonna just seal it while it's on the skillet. Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely add some of the sauce too. Don't forget that. I'm gonna close it up. All right, look at that cheese. All right, guys, you know this is some good cheese. All right, shout outs to Daya because they're the ones, that's making the best cheese that's actually melting. Some of these cheese out here don't really melt too much. They taste good, but they don't melt. All right, guys. So to me, it has to have that melt effect. All right, guys. So we always want to put the cheese first so it can have that melt effect. Boom, there it is. So delicious, guys. Please try this recipe.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes.